What is the largest gecko species?
The largest gecko species is the New Caledonian giant gecko, also known as Rhacodactylus leachianus or simply lychee. These geckos can grow up to about 14 inches long, including their tail, and they're native to New Caledonia. Which species of snake is the longest in the world?
That would be the reticulated python.
You got it. The reticulated python holds the title for being the longest snake in the world.
Is albinism in reptiles a recessive trait, a dominant trait, a codominant trait, or a line-bred trait?
Albinism in reptiles is a recessive trait. For a reptile to express albinism, it needs to inherit two copies of the albino gene, one from each parent. Now it's my turn. Here's a question. What is the primary diet of a green iguana in the wild?
We've done that one. Can you try a different question?
Got it. Here's a fresh one for you. Which snake species is known for playing dead as a defense mechanism, often flipping onto its back and sticking its tongue out?
That would be the hognose snake.
The hognose snake is famous for its dramatic playing dead act.
How many species of tegus are there, and what are they?
There are 7 recognized species of tegus.
What are the different species of tegus?
Here they are. 1. Argentine black and white tegu, Salvatore Mariani. 2. Red tegu, Salvatore rufescens. 3. Gold tegu, Tupinambus tegison. 4. Colombian tegu, Tupinambus longilinus. 5. Yellow tegu, Tupinambus palustris. 6. Blue tegu, a color morph of the Argentine black and white tegu, not a separate species. 7. Cayman lizard, Dracaena guianensis, sometimes grouped with tegus due to similar traits, but it's actually a different genus. What type of scale structure is unique to the family Viperidae that helps them sense infrared radiation from warm-blooded prey?
They have heat sensor pits on the front of their face.
That's right. The heat-sensing pits, known as pit organs, are a specialized structure that allows vipers to detect infrared radiation from warm-blooded animals, helping them locate prey even in the dark.
What is the scientific name for bearded dragons?
The scientific name for bearded dragons is Pogona viticeps.
Follow up to that question, what other Pogona species are commonly kept in the pet trade?
Besides Pogona viticeps, the central or inland bearded dragon, the other Pogona species that are occasionally kept in the pet trade include 1. Pogona barbata, the eastern bearded dragon. 2. Pogona henry lawsoni, commonly known as Rankin's dragon or Lawson's dragon. These species are less common than Pogona viticeps, but they can still be found in collections. What is the term for the specialized respiratory structure in snakes that allows them to breathe while swallowing large prey?
That would be the glottis.
Close, but the correct term is glottis. The glottis is the part of a snake's respiratory system that can extend outward to allow the snake to breathe while consuming large prey.
What is the difference between a snake and a lizard?
The primary differences between snakes and lizards are 1. Limbs. Most lizards have legs, while snakes are legless. However, there are some legless lizards, so this isn't the only distinction. 2. Eyelids. Lizards generally have movable eyelids, allowing them to blink, while snakes have a transparent scale over their eyes called a spectacle or brill. 3. Ears. Lizards usually have external ear openings, while snakes do not have visible external ears, though they can sense vibrations. 4. Tail autotomy. Many lizards can drop their tail as a defense mechanism, whereas snakes cannot. Though both are reptiles, these physical and sensory differences are key in distinguishing them. All right, that wraps up our round of questions.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that round of trivia with AI. Let us know down in the comments below what kind of questions you want me to ask next, and we'll see you next time.